Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Today, we are including the four main principles of Montessori, which is order, coordination, concentration, and independence for a child. ಭಾರ್ಗವ, ಇವಾಗ ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವುದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀಯಾ? ಹಾಕು, ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಹಾಕು. As you can see, order is encouraged externally through the meticulously prepared environment, classroom rules, and daily routines. Even the youngest children quickly begin to internalize this order through their experiences within the classroom. Now, as you see here, the child is attempting for coordination. Fine and gross motor skills, coordination are encouraged through classroom environment. Coordination builds from whole body to more refined movements. This provides endless opportunities, both directly and indirectly, to refine gross and fine motor skills through relevant and motivational tasks. He is so not disturbed by anything that's happening around him, and this brings us to the principle of concentration. Concentration is an essential skill to support effective learning. Classroom rules, in conjunction with materials that encourage hands-on work, is very interesting for the child because this develops concentration skills. The child is encouraged to choose work for learning, and we need to understand learning is the work of the child. Each work has a purpose apparent to the child, and the child is encouraged to repeat lessons often. Through this repetition, child gains a deeper understanding of concept presented and extends their ability to concentrate. So finally, the last I stands for independence. Cultivating independence is what makes the Montessori environment a unique culture in itself. Independent child thinks that I can do it, I want to do it, and I have what I need to do it. A child who is independent learner can concentrate and remain organized, has the necessary motor skills to succeed in school and in early life. Early childhood framework is especially designed to deliver these outcomes. Very good, thank you.